Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'll be making tuna pasta, or as they call it, tuna casserole. I'll be using butter, carrots, chopped onions, red pepper, baby mushrooms, tuna, baby spinach, frozen peas, and I'll be making my sauce out of Parmesan cheese, half and half, and I'll be using beef broth instead of chicken broth, and I will be using the spiral noodles. So let me go ahead and get everything prepped, salt and pepper for taste, and I will be right back. Okay, and we're back. I've cut up the carrots, chopped up the onions, mushroom, red pepper. Instead of using olive oil, we'll be using a tablespoon of butter. So I'm going to go ahead and get that ready in my skillet. We'll have it cook for 8 to 10 minutes till it's cooked. And I'm cooking the pasta, and it's almost done. So let me go ahead and get this ready. On medium heat, 4 sliced carrots, go ahead and put it on medium heat. Adding onions, red pepper, and mushrooms. We'll have this cook for 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. And the pasta's looking good. Okay, you don't want to make it too soft. Okay, about another couple of minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to add the peas, baby spinach, and the tuna. We'll go ahead and have it cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to add more baby spinach, and more of the frozen peas. Another 1/4 cup. Put the lid on, and we'll have the baby carrots just wilt just a bit. We are done with the vegetables. I'm going to add them in with the pasta. Once we get the vegetables transferred into the bowl, we'll go ahead and get started on our sauce. We'll be making the sauce. I'm going to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons butter. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour to get our sauce thick. Add the half and half cream. And we're using 1/3 cup. We're going to add chicken broth in substitute of, we're going to use beef broth instead of chicken broth. And we're going to use 2/3 cup. I'm going to put it on high so we can get that thickness. Once the sauce has thickened, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper for taste, and we'll go ahead and pour this over our tuna casserole. Okay, this is the result of the sauce. Let me go ahead and adjust my camera here. Sauce is thick, so we'll add into the pasta. Okay, that's the result of tuna casserole. This is the final results to the tuna casserole. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out. Leave a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be posting weekly videos.